Good day everyone, welcome back to Sonia Space, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious watermelon popsicle. As you know, the summer is here and it's time for us to enjoy those fun things that goes along with summer, and this watermelon popsicle is one of those things. For this watermelon popsicle, we're going to be needing 3 cups of watermelon that has already been cut into bits, 1.5 cup of cream, 1 tablespoon honey, and lemon. So to cut my watermelon, I discovered this easy and convenient way to cut my watermelon. If I cut my watermelon like this, I find it very easy. So this is how I cut, my watermelon. So after cutting this watermelon, I'm going to go ahead and dice it into smaller bits so that it will be easy for my blender. And then I'll go ahead and blend. After blending, I'm going to strain it through a sieve before going ahead to add my cream, honey and lemon into the watermelon mixture. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the right time for you to do that. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and God bless you for doing that. And to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting me. May God bless you richly. I added the lemon to make the popsicle soft when frozen. my watermelon popsicle is all ready. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till we meet again in my next one. Bye bye and God bless.